Good morning plus one class. Today we will start the next topic, that is sexual reproduction in bacteria. In previous video we have discussed about asexual mode of reproduction in bacteria, and this asexual reproduction in bacteria occurs by the mode of binary fission, in which the parent cell or the parent bacteria divides into two daughter cells, and these two daughter cells were identical to each other. इक्वल पार्टीशन होगा पेरेंट सेल का दो डॉटर सेल्स में. साइटोप्लाज्म जो है, न्यूक्लियोइड जो है, उन दोनों को क्या होगा, इक्वल पार्टीशन होगा. दोनों डॉटर सेल्स हैं बिल्कुल एक दूसरे के क्या होंगी, आइडेंटिकल होंगी. नेक्स्ट आता है हमारा, दिस इज द मोड ऑफ एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. सेकेंड वन इज सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. As we know that the bacteria is prokaryotic, but the sexual mode of reproduction is normally seen in eukaryotic organisms. In sexual mode of reproduction, their sexual mode of reproduction involves two parents, male parent and female parents, in which gamete formations take place. One gamete is male gamete and second one is female gamete. Male gamete is produced by the male and female gamete is produced by the female. These male and female gamete undergo fusion to form a diploid cells, which is known as zygote, and this zygote then develops into a complete young one. This is the method of sexual reproduction. But in bacteria, these method of sexual reproduction doesn't occur in this way. This doesn't include two parents. There is no formation of male and female gamete, no fusion, and no formation of zygote. Then how sexual reproduction occurs in bacteria? In case of bacteria, sex organs are not formed. बैक्टीरिया के केस में क्या होता है, सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन के टाइम कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं कि सेक्स ऑर्गन्स हैं, उनकी फॉर्मेशन नहीं होती. माइटोसिस मियोसिस की जो प्रोसेस है वो नहीं होती. माइटोसिस से क्या होता है, जाइगोट है, देन जाइगोट में क्लीवेज होती है. मियोसिस से क्या होता है कि मियोसिस से जो गैमेट्स हैं, डिप्लॉयड पेरेंट है, उस डिप्लॉयड पेरेंट है वो क्या करता है, हैप्लॉयड गैमेट्स प्रोड्यूस करता है. वो हैप्लॉयड गैमेट्स किसकी प्रोसेस से प्रोड्यूस होते हैं, मियोसिस डिवीजन से वो प्रोड्यूस होते हैं. और क्या है, फ्यूजन ऑफ गैमेट्स डजंट टेक प्लेस and no zygote formation occurs. Then how sexual reproduction occurs in bacteria? In bacteria, sexual reproduction occurs by genetic recombination. This procedure of sexual reproduction is not followed in bacteria. In bacteria, sexual reproductions occur by means of genetic recombination, in which genes of one bacteria are recombined with genes of another bacteria to form a the process of genetic recombination occurs in three ways. And three ways are: first one is conjugation, second way is transformation, and third way or third method is transduction. Let us discuss all these three ways or method. First one is conjugation. What will happen in conjugation? In conjugation, two bacteria of different strains are taken. These are the two bacteria, and the strain is E. coli. Different strains of bacteria are taken. In conjugation, what will happen? The genetic material of one bacteria is transferred to the genetic material of other bacteria. One bacteria act as donor and other bacteria act as recipient. The donor bacteria donates its genes to the recipient bacteria, and these genes or this genetic recombination through conjugation occurs by formation of a conjugation bridge, and this is conjugation bridge. With the help of these conjugation bridge, the genes from one bacteria are transferred to the genes of other bacteria, and then development takes place. Further. The recipient bacteria has a recombination of other bacteria genes. Second method of sexual reproduction bacteria occurs through the transformation. In transformation, there is present one bacteria, and this bacteria takes the genes which is present outside environment. This bacteria takes the genes inside its body and recombine these outside gene or recombine these donor's gene with its genes which are present in its body. This method is known as transformation method. And third one is transduction. In transduction, genetic material, this These are the two bacteria strains are present. How the genetic material is transferred from one bacteria to another bacteria. The genetic materials or genes are transferred from one bacteria to the other bacteria by the agency, and the agency is known as bacteriophage. Let us take an example. This is the one bacteria, and on this bacteria a virus sits for some time. Then the virus takes the genes of this bacteria and then detached from this bacteria. After that, this virus gets stick to the another bacteria and transform these genes or transfer these genes to the second bacteria, and now there is combination of genes. This second bacteria has its own genes and plus the combination of other bacteria gene. This process is known as transduction, in which genes are transferred from one bacteria to another bacteria by the agency, and this agency is known as bacteriophage. This method was discovered by Gitter and Lederberg in Salmonella typhi. In this method, sexual reproduction occurs in bacteria. These three methods, by conjugation, by transformation, and by transduction.